Hello students and parents, welcome back to my channel. Do you think mathematics is a very tough subject? No, it is a very interesting subject, but just make sure that your all doubts should be cleared. Then it will become your favorite subject. So don't be scared of it. Today I am going to explain you an important chapter of mathematics, that is average. And at the end of my video there is an interesting math tricks for you. So watch my videos till the last end. And let's get started. An average is a single value representing a group of numbers. It gives us an idea of the standard of the group. At first I am explaining an easy sum of average. Here I am taking three numbers 5, 10 and 15, and simply I have to add. The total will be 30 and I have to divide the sum of the three numbers with 3, so the average will be 10. In my second sum, a train travels 35 km in the first hour, 30 km in the second hour, 50 km in the third hour and 45 km in the fourth hour. We have to find out the average speed of the train per hour. At first I have to find out the total distance travelled, and it will be 160 km, and the total time covered is 4 hours. So at last I have to divide 160 with 4 and the average distance per hour will be 40 km per hour. My third sum is quite interesting. The average age of 5 children is 12 and the ages of 4 children are given, and we have to find out the age of the 5th child. First we have to find out the sum of the ages of the 5 children. 5 multiplied by 12 equal to 60 years. Then we have to find out the sum of 4 children's ages, and to do that we have to simply add the 4 given ages. The answer will be 44 years. And next, to find out the 5th child's age, we have to subtract the second one from the first one. Answer will be 16 years. Do you want to play an interesting game with your friend? Take a piece of paper and write your favorite number on that. Suppose you wrote 2. Now tell your friend to write his favorite number on another paper. Suppose your friend wrote 5. Now tell your friend that you know a magical formula. If you use these two numbers in this formula, the answer will be the combination of these two numbers only. The formula will be just like this formula I am writing here. Your friend will be definitely surprised to see this new type of formula, but it is actually a tricky formula. You just put your number and your friend's number in this formula and see what happens. The answer becomes 52. It is a combination of 2 and 5, means your number and your friend's number. Isn't it surprising? I know your friend will definitely like this game, and again he or she will request you to try it with another 2 numbers. Yes, any 2 number you can use, but the result will be the combination of these 2 given numbers. Isn't it interesting? I hope you enjoyed my today's video. Stay tuned to my channel to get more and more dislike science and math tutorial videos for you. Bye students and bye parents.